In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send to transfer money from GCash to Camalig Bank. By the end, you'll feel confident moving funds safely and quickly using only your phone. Before we start, make sure your GCash app is updated, your internet connection is stable, and you have the exact account name and account number of your recipient ready. It also helps to confirm your GCash balance so the transfer goes through without delays. Begin by opening GCash on your device. Unlock your phone, find the GCash icon, and sign in if you're prompted. Once you're on the main dashboard, look for the Transfer option. Tap Transfer to open the Money Transfer hub inside the app. Next, choose the Local option. This tells GCash you want to send money to a bank within the country. You'll see a list of partner banks, along with a search bar to make things faster. In the search field, type Camalig Bank. Give it a moment to load results, then select Camalig Bank from the list. Tapping it opens the transfer form where you'll enter the details of your transaction. Start by entering the amount you want to send. Double-check the number to make sure it matches what you intend to transfer. Keep an eye out for any fees or limits that the app may display and ensure your GCash balance can cover both the amount and any applicable charges. Now, input the recipient's account name and account number exactly as provided. Enter the account number slowly and verify every digit. A small typo can route funds to the wrong account. For the account name, match the bank's records as closely as possible to avoid delays. If the app highlights any field in red or shows a warning, correct it before proceeding. When everything looks accurate, tap Send Money. At this point, simply follow the prompts on your screen. You may be asked to review a summary page. Take a moment to confirm the bank, the account name, the account number, and the amount. If the app requests authentication, complete it as instructed. Never share any verification codes with anyone. Once the transfer is processed, GCash will display a confirmation message or receipt. Keep a copy for your records. Saving a screenshot or noting the reference number can be helpful if you need to track the transaction later. And that's it. You've successfully sent money from GCash to Camalig Bank. If something doesn't look right at any point, cancel the transaction and recheck the details before trying again.